Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display. Let's enter. And as you can see in the lock display section, we've got the screen timeout. So let's enter it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds. And those are quite short options, I would say. What's more, the 30 seconds option is currently applied. As you can see, it is marked. And we can set 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So it's up to you. Here you've got also an additional option, the screen attention, so it will prevent your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. So it's up to you if you want to turn it on or off. And basically, in order to change the screen timeout, simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately applied. And after getting back, you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.